Dennis here with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 to 67 GM A-body convertible sun visor supports from RESTOPARTS, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. All too often the original supports end up getting pitted or just plain worn out and need to be replaced. These precision manufactured pieces have been produced with every detail to ensure the best fit and function. They feature the original die-cast zinc material with a brilliant chrome-plated finish that's polished to perfection to add that final touch to your interior. For your convenience, they also come fully assembled and ready for installation. We guarantee that these excellent reproductions will fit beautifully on your vehicle. They have been meticulously tested and are proudly featured on our very own 1965 Malibu SS. It was a huge hit at the SEMA show in 2012. With RESTOPARTS, you know you're putting the highest quality reproduction on your ride. Keep in mind that when purchasing directly through OPGI, all RESTOPARTS products come with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.